Hello, my name is LaRonda Forsey. I'm the principal of Griggs International Academy. Welcome to the enrollment process. Be sure to watch the video to assist you. Have a great day.
The first step in the enrollment process for new and returning students is to complete a new or returning student application online. As you fill it out, be sure to really carefully check that contact information, as that's what we're going to be using to contact you. Now, the next step is to go ahead and complete the enrollment packet. Now, our team here at Griggs will be sending you an email letting you know after you've completed the application that it's now time to start this step. However, if you're a returning student and maybe already went ahead and started that, that's totally okay too. There's a way more detailed video than this walking you through the steps of that enrollment packet. However, here are 4 common mistakes students often make that now you can avoid because you watched this video. Number 1, forgetting to fill out Form 4. Yes, all applicants must fill out this form, as the second half isn't just about payment plans, but it's actually the financial agreement. Number 2, forgetting to fill out Form 5. Now, this is only for high school students, but it is the important Proctor form. Now, if maybe you are having a hard time finding someone to proctor, you can always write in Griggs when it asks for the name of your proctor, because we actually do provide an online proctor service for you. Number 3, forgetting your student ID number. I know, numbers can be tricky, but if you look back in your email for any email from enrollgia@andrews.edu, especially one that may be entitled New or Returning Student Application, you're probably going to find your student number either there in the title or in the email itself. Number 4, forgetting to include the supporting documents in that original email with your enrollment packet. The supporting documents you're going to need to enroll include a birth certificate for all new students, IEP or 504 for any student that may apply, and a report card and transcript for new students taking 4 or more courses, students who have completed a year away from Griggs, or students taking a course that has a prerequisite that they did take from another school. Now, official transcripts are only required for GIA diploma-seeking 10th through 12th graders. Remember, there is a video that has a lot more information to help you with filling out this enrollment packet, so make sure to check it out if you have any more questions. Based on the enrollment packet and the courses you've selected, you can go ahead and make a payment online via our website, choosing to either pay in full or to create a payment plan. Please note that for third-party billing, we do require a letter of confirmation from the conference, division, etc. before the enrollment can be completed. After turning in the enrollment packet, supporting documents, and making the payment, please allow 3 to 5 business days for the enrollment to be completed. When it is, we're going to be sending you an email welcoming you to Griggs, along with a second email arriving within about 48 hours that will give you getting started info along with your login. After receiving your enrollment confirmation email, it's time to go ahead and order your books and supplies using our online bookstore or another user-friendly site, which might help you save a little extra money in the long run. To determine what books you may need to purchase before you can begin your courses, hover over the Enrollment tab and click Order Your Books. Use the course book list to find the specific books and materials needed to start your classes. Now, here's one final tip before we go. If you've submitted the enrollment packet but you're not really sure where you are in the process, look in your email for a message from enrollgia@andrews.edu. You may find one there that includes a list of missing documents or payment that is needed before you can complete your enrollment. Thank you so much for expressing interest in Griggs International Academy. We're really excited to be able to start this journey of education with you.